Head over to search and then type in edit power plan. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to click on power options right here. And then you want to make it high performance or ultra high performance if you have that. So just select it high performance. If you don't see it, then head over to create a power plan and then you might have it here. So select it here and just follow all the steps. If you don't have it, then just stay on balanced. Head over to search and then type in add or remove programs. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to delete all of the applications that you don't need because it's just taking up space. The way to delete it is by clicking on the three dots and click on uninstall program and just follow the steps. Head over to search and then type in run. Click on it and then you want to type in temp. Once that opens up, you're going to get a bunch of files here. You can control in your keyboard and delete all of these temporary files. You also want to head over to search, type in run, and then type in %temp%. And you want to do the exact same thing. So control in your keyboard and delete all of this. If you get this message, click on tick and then click on skip. Then we're going to do it again. Head over to search, type in run, and then type in prefetch. If you get this, click on continue. And then do the same thing. And then head over to the recycle bin and then right click, empty your recycle bin. Head over to search and then type in run and then type in clean mgr. And then you want to do this method for all of your drives. So for example, I'm going to start with the C drive. I'm going to click on OK. And then you want to tick all of this, clean up system files. And then click on OK again on the same drive. And then click on OK again. And then click on delete files. You want to repeat that method for all of the drives that you have. Head over to search and then type in task manager, click on it. And then you want to head over to the startup apps. Once you're on it, we're going to disable all of the apps that we don't want running when our computer starts up. So the way to do that is by clicking on it and then click on disable. You want to do that for all of the apps that you don't want running. Head over to search and then type in check for updates, click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to check for updates. Do all the updates, make sure your computer is fully updated. Once you do all these methods, restart your computer. Make sure you restart, don't shut down, click on restart. If you still feel like your computer is having problems, head over to search and type in reset this PC, click on it. And then you want to make sure that everything's backed up and you can reset your computer. Just follow all the steps.